tub and swim spa shoppers, stop! Pay attention! You may not want to go to a pop-up shop hot tub and swim spa expo at the mall this weekend. Ooh, why do you ask? Well, what you should do is shop local and instead go to the official, not a pop-up shop at the mall, but local hot tub, swim spa, and outdoor kitchen expo at Premier Outdoor. It's this Friday, Saturday, and Tuesday. Premier Outdoor has amazing hot tubs, swim spas, and outdoor kitchens in stock, ready for immediate delivery. And now, we're even offering 0% financing. Woo! So now you don't even have to go to the mall to get a subpar, grungy floor model, or even have to wait 6 months like you normally do at these pop-shop expos. Shop local at Premier Outdoor. Our products are fresh and shiny, in stock, and ready to deliver. Woo! And there's more. Woo! You can save up to $8,000 on a swim spa, up to $4,000 on a hot tub, and even up to 70% off our outdoor kitchens at Premier Outdoor. Yeah, not to mention, Premier Outdoor products feature metal frames, not wood frames like at the mall expos. We even have better warranties. And to top that off, we have a parts and service department too. So come on out this weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Tuesday, to the official, not a pop-up shop at the mall, but local hot tub, swim spa, and outdoor kitchen expo. Only at Premier Outdoor. And nope, it's not the pop-up shop expo at the mall. It's only at Premier Outdoor. Hope to see you there this weekend. P.S. Happy Memorial Day.